Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be doing this lovely encapsulated dried flower design. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. So first of all, I'm just getting all the dried flowers out so I'm not faffing around after. So these particular dried flowers I did actually get from Amazon. I think they were, I think it was about $1.99. And you got about 12, I think. So I may be wrong, but I will pop it all in the description box where I got them all from. So I'm just getting a selection of different flowers out here because I'm going for a bit of an autumn look. That was Rosa and Crystal Glass from CJP as well is what I'm going to be using. And look at this absolutely gorgeous powder. This is a pre-mixed acrylic powder from GLAM and GLITS, and it's called Night in Paris. There you go. And I did get that particular one from Nails by Annabelle website, so I will pop that down in the description box as well. So first of all, I'm going in with Rosa, and as you can see there is a slight sparkle to this cover pink. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just doing, so if you were doing this on a nail, you'd start at the cuticle and you'd blend up just for a bit of colour on that nail bed. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to go in with the dried flowers. So this particular flower is quite large, so I'm just cutting it in half, and it just makes it a little bit easier to apply, you see. So I'm just popping all the petals there already. So going on the nail with a bit of clear, just so there's somewhere for the flowers to stick to. So picking it up with my wet brush and just popping it there. Now as you can see, I'm fiddling a bit with it because it just, the petals just wouldn't sit still. So I'm just putting a bit of clear there and just trying to just, you know, press that into the acrylic. But I mean, you could use some glue if you wanted to, but I didn't. I should try that actually. But anyway, it works in the end. Once the acrylic starts to set, the flowers do you know, stay put. So I'm just going to go in with some more of the flowers, and I'm just basically going to keep going until I'm happy with where I've put them flowers, and then I will then go in with a little bit of glitter. Okay, so I'm happy with where all the flowers are now, so I'm just going in with a little bit of this orange glitter. It's iridescent glitter, so I'm just randomly putting that just in between the flowers and on the colour pink area. And then I'm going to go in, before I don't even know what I'm saying, I'm bloody watching telly and doing this at the same time. Anyway, I've dipped into clear acrylic first and then dipped into the glitter and then applied. So
And now I'm going into this absolutely beautiful pre-mixed glitter acrylic from GLAM and GLITS. As you can see, it's gold and rose gold flecks of glitter in it. It is really, really stunning, and I just thought it'd go really, really well with these flowers and the colours that we're going for. So I'm just picking up really tiny beads and just placing them in between the flowers and where I think it needs to go, basically. So once I've done that, I'm going into my crystal glass, picked up a nice big juicy bead there and popped it at the cuticle, and then decided to, you know, brush a bit of glitter into it and mess it all up. But no problem, I got that off with my brush, but so, you know, never mind. So yeah, I'm just going to basically cap this nail. So once I've capped it, I will then file it. I did file it off camera because it is an absolute pain in the arse to file these tips and film, so I did do it on camera. So I'll meet you back when I'm top coating. So as you can see, it's been filed, and I'm now going in with Premier Gel's No Wipe Top Coat, and look at that nail. It actually looks like these flowers are in a vase. I mean, crystal glass, CJP crystal glass is so clear. I mean, just look at that, absolutely gorgeous, love it. So anyway, I hope you've all enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. I'd really appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you're always notified when I do upload another video. So once again, yeah, thanks very much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.